Good morning. Welcome back to Miss Alvarado's kitchen. We're not cooking today, but when we left school, some of you were really interested in telling time, and you were learning how to tell time to the hour. So I want to make sure that you're still practicing that skill and having a little fun with it too. So what I've done today is I took a paper plate and I poked a hole in the middle. You're going to need an adult to help you with the scissors to put a hole in the middle. Then I took a marker and I wrote the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now from here you can do a lot of different things, but I chose to use a bread tie. This one came off my tortillas. And I'm going to use a couple of paper clips. So I'm going to put two paper clips together and I'm going to put them on the bread tie. And then I'm going to take one other paper clip all by itself and I'm going to put him on the bread tie. Then I'm going to take the bread tie and I'm going to give a little twist. Not too tight because they still need to be able to move. Then I'm going to take the end and put it through the hole that I made in my paper plate. And I'm going to make another twist and another twist. And I'm going to put it here. If for some reason it keeps coming out, you can always put a piece of tape. But for now, we're just going to open the bread tie like that and put it in there. So now we have the hands of our clock. And remember that when we're telling time to the hour, that the longer hand stays on 12. And whatever number the short hand points to is what time it is. So right here it would be 3 o'clock. That's right, 3 o'clock. And if I moved it to here, it would be 9 o'clock because the short hand is pointing to the number 9. And you can continue to move your hour hand all the way around the short hand. As long as your minute hand, the long hand, stays on 12, that's what time you're pointing to. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and 12 o'clock. So that's one type of clock you can make using some paper clips and a bread tie, tortilla tie, and a plate with a marker. Okay. Now, I also thought of some other things that would be fun to make a clock. I also had some party plates, paper plates. Did the same thing with the numbers and the bread tie. This time I had some ribbon, and the hour hand is going to stay on 12, and the minute hand is going to stay on 12, and the hour hand can still move all around and pull it all around to point at the different times on the clock. So if you have ribbon or yarn, they make good hour hands and minute hands. And notice for right now I have two different colors so they can distinguish between which one is the longer minute hand and which one is the shorter hour hand. So there's also that one. And then I was thinking, I have a piece of paper. If we didn't have a plate, I have a piece of paper, or you could cut open a cereal box or anything that is plain on one side. Write out your numbers again, 1 through 12. Put a dot in the middle so you know where the hands are supposed to be at. And you could use craft sticks. And I have the longer craft stick would be the hour hand, the minute hand staying on the 12. And the shorter popsicle stick would be the hour hand that you would set on top. And you could move it around to point at the different times. I wonder what time we will eat lunch. Ooh, maybe we'll eat lunch at 12 o'clock. Maybe 2 o'clock is nap time. 5 o'clock is dinner. 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, family time. 8 o'clock, bath time. 9 o'clock, bedtime. So you can use craft sticks for that. I actually went out into the yard and I found a stick in my yard. And I thought, I just need one long stick and one short stick. So now I have one long minute hand and one short hour hand. And I can do the same thing here. Just put them both on the dot and move them around. 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. If you don't have any sticks in your yard, you're very lucky you have lots of sticks. But you can also use pens and pencils. The pencil is longer, so it would be the minute hand, and the pen is shorter, so it would be the hour hand. Same concept. Move it around 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. Just keeping them both on the dots. Okay, so that's another type of clock you can make. Also, I was going through some of my magnets, and most of you might have magnets on your refrigerator or somewhere hiding in the house. And you do the same thing. You can get a paper plate, a piece of construction paper, a box, anything that you want to use. The children can then set it up, and you would start at the top with 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. You know, sometimes I don't put them in the right order, so I might put out my 6 down there. So after 3 comes 4. After 4 comes 5. And 5 also comes before 6. And then we have, what comes after 6? That's right, 7, 8, 9. Make sure your 9 is across from your 3. 10. And 11. I didn't have enough ones, but my pack came with an equal sign, so I used it for the 11. And then all you need to do, again, you can use your paper clips, your pen or pencil, sticks from the yard, craft sticks, ribbons, any kind of materials. And you start at the middle. Put the minute hand, the 1 hand on the 12. And put the hour hand pointing towards the numbers. That's 3 o'clock. It is now 9 o'clock, and I want to wish you a good morning. I miss you. Stay safe. Happy hour hunting. Bye-bye.